Before we begin, I would like to state that I already know, and can tell you have a fascinating mind. You are trying to delve into and understand the unknown. Your mind is your gift. All matter is made of particles, made from energy, consisting of light, photons. Everything in existence is a wavelength of simply light. The reason we sense reality to be different, in let's say red and blue, is because the spectrum of light is infinite. In general, the frequency spectrum for electromagnetic, for example light, radio, etc., is continuous, and thus between any two frequencies there are an uncountable infinity of possible frequencies. The same principle in which there are infinite numbers between 1 and 2. Our brain operates like a machine, as a transmitter, receiver and translator for light, all matter. Our five senses, linked to the first five chakras of the human body, determine the way we interpret these infinite possibilities of light, harnessing what we experience and believe to be reality. Smell, sound, taste, touch and sight, these are our five physical senses, which are located within our body, part of our mind, soul and spirit. What I'm telling you may seem untrue because these is no visual evidence, one of the five senses. You cannot see oxygen, however, you believe you breathe oxygen. Many people cannot see God, therefore, do not believe. Many people, however, do, because they believe they feel God. Which is exactly the same way you feel breathing, the same way I feel God, and the same way I hope I help you realize you should too. Our five senses do not shape our physical reality, they simply perceive the different infinite wavelengths of light. Our brain then instantly translates it into either sight, smell, sound, touch or taste. What we experience in life is simply a tune and wavelength of light. How we perceive it determines how we experience it. Imagine a vast, expanding and collapsing, singularity and vacuum, light and dark, infinite yet limited pure rift consisting of nothing but light, different wavelengths, different energies, frequencies and vibrations. This is our universe. Transmuted itself naturally with a probability of around 1 in 400 trillion. When realizing how minute the chances actually are, you begin to realize how special and meaningful not just the term life, but how great life actually is. We are connected spiritually with every life force in existence. I cannot say how or why, but I can say we are. Through delving into knowledge and information currently unknown to you, you will begin to realize the importance of your existence. Only then will your mind become the ultimate tool in which it was built for, not to be faced with depression, which can I point out is a man-made illness which is massively linked to the energy flow and balance of the five body chakras, not to feel sad and lonely, not to feel the need to work a job we may not enjoy in order to feel true happiness, not to crave happiness, not to fear death or fear living, but to strive for greatness, to achieve and excel, to acquire our most inner dreams. It is all more than possible, but above all, more importantly, the greatest thing we can do, is to be kind, and help others. We, as beings, are the most powerful entities in the known cosmos.